Greetings, Mark Brown here. Going to be looking at how we can block paragraph here. Yes, there are more one way in order to actually block these paragraph. Some of you might not sure how to do that. Another that. All right, you can put the cursor right here. The beginning, you hold on the left side of the mouse touchpad and then drag it to your right like this and drag it down and actually block it. All right, remember you put the cursor at the front here. So hold on the left side of the mouse, right? And the touchpad and drag it over like that. And that's how you block. Another way in which you can actually block it, you can come right up here and click on home. Now when you click on home, this is the ribbon that come to the far right here. Notice it said select. Click right here, look a pointer. Now it says select all. And if you notice right there, it actually do the same. Right? If I put the cursor right here and I hold down the control and shift together, and then I press the down arrow. You notice I press the down arrow, it actually block. Press the up arrow, you notice. And if I press the right arrow, you notice you're going across the block. And if I press the down arrow, you notice. That's it. Exactly. You pull on the control and the shift key together and you use the up arrow and the down arrow to block it. So these are the three different type of ways definitely which you can actually block a text right in your document. So thanks for watching. See you in the next